Girl, bring it, come, memory of it up for you.
So, when you see me, I wrote no say, me taking my wife. Wife?
After left breast bigger than your right breast, them for call you biggie small, baby, baby.
Why? I knew I was going bad. Today is viral Jamaican TikTok or viral Caribbean TikTok video reaction. So let's start right now.
Yes, my girl, I'm having money on the
Negus.
Look at this dude.
Come, memory of it up for you.
The man can sing.
I have a man. Yeah, man, understand that.
You know, yo, Negus been a make video like this for a long time. Some merch look recent, but yo, one Negus in
Imara. Look good, I deserve it 2 away. If him find out, say I talk to me a dead morning. That's why you're not gonna tell him. Look here, you gonna find something to like find a new face. Get a little bit taller, put some money in your pocket or something over here, labba labba like the block dancer.
Sure.
Oh, that's what they talk about, man, to find a new face. I bet some can wipe all your beauty with a wet napkin. And that's not even your real eye color anyway. Black na blood, you're having blue eye contact, you look like a flame. You don't see your blood left breast bigger than your right breast, them for call you biggie small, baby, baby. And you 2 foot them mark.
Alright. Next video loading. No man, that video was POV a Jamaican man when he gets rejected. Oh no! In real life.
It's in a real life.
I don't know nothing about that because I'm off the market, but yo, Jamaican man don't like to get rejected.
Oh,
so
no, see how my wife nice,
it's
so
not
no
right.
see her, nobody look me. Nobody look me, cause look here, see her there? She's nice and she give me...
So pull up.
See her there?
Okay.
She's nice and she give me a whole heap of nice pitney. One not there.
See, as I'm loyal too. We even make video with our wife and kids saying, yo, I have a wife. Look at my beautiful wife. Look at my kids. We don't cheat. Jamaican man don't cheat. Jamaican man don't cheat.
See her there? She's nice and she give me a whole heap of nice pitney. one not there. See Brianna, this is my
and
daughter.
just come out from
Brianna,
church.
see her there? She's nice and see how my wife nice. She guava. See my son Jordan there.
Speaking of guava, man, yo, I miss Jamaica, man. Leave in the comments if you miss the island. Whether you're from Jamaica, whether you're from Trinidad, Grenada, St. Lucia, St. Vincent, St. Kitts. If you miss Africa too, leave in the comments. Come on, man.
All the single ladies, I can't talk to Jordan. Yes, yeah. Jordan there. Jordan.
See the ring? See the ring?
I'm going to marry soon. But me, I am taken. This is my wife. This is Mrs. Walker. So when you see me...
Yeah, man. Respect you. Big up unks. You see, one day I'm going to make a video with my wife too because watch her.
Road. When you see me, when you know, say...
We're loyal.
Bless me with a beautiful girl.
Yes,
this girl
that is
celebrating 21 years of Mother's Day. 21 years.
I think it's the
21 years of Mother's Day she's celebrating. She gave me 4 children. The first one is 21, Jordan there, see him there. He is the second one. He is 19. Brianna there, she's the third. She is 16, 15. And YJAye is 10 years old.
Come. Respect, man. One family.
Yes?
One family.
What do you want to say to your mother?
Happy Mother's Day.
Uno man out there when I take care of the picnic, when I take a page out of this. Take a page of them there. Mother's Day, yeah?
April.
Yeah? Yeah? Yeah?
Why? Flowers nice.
Yeah.
Watch out. Yeah, man. See them now.
One more. So he's giving his mother 9 roses for the 9 months.
Pretty flowers.
Thank you, Mama, for the 9 months to carry YJAye.
Thank you, Mama, for the 9 months
to carry
true.
All those pain and suffering.
On Sizzler.
So guys, yeah. So big up to my wife on Mother's Day. Yes, she's celebrating her Mother's Day. Hi, happy Mother's Day. Same to you. Yes, some people that come from
Mother's Day in Jamaica was about a week or 2 ago. Respect.
Mother's Day too.
I love the other mothers.
When you see me, I wrote no say, me taken.
Wife?
Wife?
He's an honest man.
Wife?